Hello everyone. Welcome to Magical Stocks channel, where fundamentals meet technical. There were only 3 trading days last week due to Christmas week. PSE index went down from 7,272.80 last December 18, 2020, to 7,204.38 this December 23, 2020. This is equivalent to a minus 0.94% decline in the index. Our magical stocks however went down by a minus 3.11% decline from 219.32k pesos to 212.51k pesos. The gap between our magical stocks and index went down from 22.7% to 19.3%. This is the level when we started in December 2020. For this week's video, we will update the status of our November experimental magical stocks and the recently screened December experimental magical stocks. Before we proceed with our update, and if you are interested in investing using our magical stocks or simply like to monitor the effectiveness of our system, please like this channel, subscribe and hit the notification button to keep you updated weekly. Let's first discuss the November experimental magical stocks performance from December 18, 2020, to December 23, 2020. Here is our worksheet for the experimental stocks. All the stocks are gaining except for LTG, who is losing by minus 3.93%. SECB remains strong, gaining 24.39%. Overall, November magical stocks are gaining by 5.8%. Looking at the trend, the stocks were coming from an 8.68% gain last week. PSE index gain went down from 1.44% to 0.48%. The gap narrowed from 7.25% to 5.32%. Our experimental magical stocks for November still have the edge. Let's follow the performance for a year to prove that we will perform better than the market and gain more than 30%. Let's now discuss the December experimental magical stocks performance for its first week of testing from December 18, 2020, to December 23, 2020. Here is our worksheet for our December experimental stocks. It's the opposite of our November experimental magical stocks. All the stocks are losing except for FGen, who is gaining by 3.01%. The top loser is LTG, losing minus 5.04%. Let's look at the trend of the experiment, which we are comparing against the PSE index. Remember that we are benchmarking the data on December 18, 2020. After 3 days of tests, the gap between the index and the experiment is only 0.31%. At this time, the market was edging the December experimental stocks. Let's monitor the performance weekly for 1 year and see if we will beat the market and gain more than 30% as we project. For our October magical stocks, which we have an actual investment, we are still gaining by around 40% after gaining 44% last week. No selling signal still for these stocks. That will be all for the magical stocks update this week. Thank you for watching. Year-end is coming and we will summarize the market in the upcoming videos. Quote, "The goal of a successful trader is to make the best trades. Money is secondary." Unquote. Alexander Elder. See you in the next video. Have a great day ahead.